How to redeem Soul's code or Soul promo code on your device or on official Soul's website. For this, you just have to click on Soul's and log into your account and click on the redeem page. After that, I'm showing you on the live steps here on my screen that how you can simply subscribe or how you can simply redeem the codes from Soul's. For this, you can get these one of the website that is a third party website to get a better promo code for you. So you can just copy the promo code from here, and this is Soul's website. On this, you can simply enter your game ID, the reward code, verification code sent on your mobile number or Gmail ID. Then you have to simply copy this code like this from here in the reward code section. Here you have to enter the game ID for which you want to redeem the code, and after that verification code, then you can click on redeem button to redeem your codes. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.